Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I got home not too long ago, but I did go to the store and I wanted to show you what I got. So I haven't been to Trader Joe's in such a long time, like such a long time. With COVID and everything else, there were lines and I just couldn't wait. It was just way too hot to be waiting. So we ended up going, we made a mission and it was pretty empty in there, which was great. So I was able to get a bunch of things. There were a couple of things I couldn't get because we were going out after, so I couldn't get a couple of like goodies and snacks and other things that I wanted to get. So I can do a haul on my snacks because I only picked up one snack in today's haul. So I'm just gonna put all of this out here because it's gonna make so much noise. So hold on a second. Okay, so I took everything out of the bag. So the first couple of things that I'm going to share with you are products that are repurchases. So the first one is this right here. This is the natural facial cleansing pads. This is a wow, good job. You can talk today. Okay, so the first product, I'm gonna try this again because for some reason, maybe I need a little bit of water. Okay, hopefully that helped. Okay, so the first product is this guy right here. This is the tea tree oil facial cleansing pads. This is a pack of 50. I don't remember the price of everything, but everything is pretty affordable. So I'm gonna kind of give you a ballpark estimate. I think this was $3.99. I have used these before. I love these. These are my favorite cleansing pads. I've used the Stridex, the OxyClean. I don't like those just didn't work for me, but these did, and it was so much more cheaper. But I really like this, and my skin is breaking out a little bit. I do have these little acne patches that are on my face. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but that's what's going on in case you are seeing it and testing things out because I'm breaking out. So I definitely needed to get these. Whenever you do get these, I do recommend storing them upside down because all of the good stuff will just kind of seep in. All the liquids will seep through, and then you're not worried about having all your pads just be really dry and the ones on the bottom just having all the absorbency, you know what I mean? Okay. Store it upside down. Next product, also a repurchase. This is a favorite holy grail of mine. This is their shaving cream. It's honey mango. It's the only one that they have. I love this stuff. This is, I think, $2.99, $3.99, something like that. It is amazing. It feels like lotion. A little goes a very long way. This is the only shaving cream that I can use that doesn't irritate my skin. I don't know what it is about it, but this is the only shaving cream that I use currently, and I've been using this for the past couple of years. Favorite thing. Okay, last product that's also a repurchase is this guy right here. I have raved about this. I have talked about this. I love this stuff. This is the Shea Butter and Coconut Oil Hair Mask. This is just really good. I cannot say enough good things about this. I use a very small amount because I have really thin, fine, flat hair, but this works really well, and my hair just loves it. So definitely my favorite hair mask ever. This is something that I will continuously repurchase because it just works. It works really well. So now on to, I don't have too many other products. These are all newer purchases. So the first one is this. Because I love this, I figured I should get this. I'm not usually someone who uses hair serum, but I do have really frizzy hair, and it rains so much in Florida that my hair got a little wet and it's starting to do things already. So I definitely think that I needed to invest in a hair serum, and this is supposed to help with the frizz, so, and add shine and hopefully not weigh down the hair. So I will let you know if this is any good. I'm hoping it's good. I don't know, I didn't smell it. All these other things smell really good, by the way. Okay, if you like coconut, yeah, this smells good. This smells exactly like this. Coconutty. Okay, next product that I'm really excited about. I saw somebody post about this and I just wanted it so badly. This is the microdermabrasion scrub. It's an exfoliating cream, and apparently You can use this as much as you want. It's just supposed to be a really, really nice exfoliant. And oh, it is sealed. So I think this was, let's say $4.99, $5.99. But yeah, I'm very excited about this. I do like exfoliants. I kind of want to see what it feels like, but I need to make sure that I have something I can wipe my hands off with. So I do want to try this out. I'm just going to use going to just put a little bit. It is very gritty. It feels good. Okay, so I think this is going to be a really, really nice exfoliant. Do I have something to... Yeah, I think that may work really, really well just based off of the way the exfoliants are. Exfoliants, you know what I mean? I'm not saying that right. But yeah, just based off the way this feels, I can see myself enjoying this, and I didn't even smell it. I smell everything. Okay, so it doesn't have a scent. And it says dermatologist formulated, so hopefully. My skin is very, very acne prone, so it needs to be really, really careful, but it doesn't have a fragrance, and I'm excited. Next, 2 products I have been so excited about. First one is this guy right here. This is the Watermelon Facial Mist. It's a refresh and hydrate one. This I think was $3.99. You're supposed to shake it up. I didn't even spray this. I was just kind of in a rush, just trying to grab all the things that I needed because we had to go somewhere else. So let me not, where do I, okay, hold on. Let me do it. Oh, the mister is nice. Do you see that? Oh, yeah, that smells good. This smells really, really good. I know people were saying that it smells good, but this smells really good. Yeah, okay, this smells amazing. I love facial sprays. That's just one of my favorite things. And this is gonna be perfect for drift days. But I'm excited. That smells absolutely incredible. And of course, because, you know, I saw this. This is the Watermelon Overnight Face Mask, sorry. This is supposed to be comparable. So everyone's been kind of comparing these two to the Glow Recipes, the Watermelon Mist and their Sleep Mask. I don't have those products. This is more pocket friendly, and I love finding affordable products. I am very, very into skincare. You guys know, if you've been watching my videos for a while, I love skincare products, and I've really, really been in, and especially face masks. Face masks, it's, yeah. So this actually feels really, really nice, heavy. It's very, very heavy. Yeah, okay, I don't really know how to explain it. So I'm gonna try. Oh, this smells oh, I just caught my lip. Okay, so this smells absolutely amazing. Oh my God, yeah. It's, okay. Do you remember Bubblicious Watermelon? That's what this smells like. That's exactly what this smells like. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of like a little bit. I do want to try this, but I'm not gonna be able to try it tonight. I will try this tomorrow. It says just apply a generous layer onto your skin. Cleansed and dry skin. Avoid eye area. And you can keep this on overnight, or if you have sensitive skin, I guess just wash it off after a little bit. I want to see what it feels like. Oh, this feels really, really nice. I'm really hoping that this doesn't break me out because it smells so good. I'll be very upset. Maybe I'd cry. I don't know, but this smells really, really good. Everyone who's telling you it smells really good, believe them, because it does. Maybe you may not like it if you don't like the scent of watermelon, but this is yeah, This is just really, really, really good. Okay, so the last thing I got is a snack. Well, is it a snack, a dessert, a sweet? Okay, so it is this guy right here. This is the organic marbled halva. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I'm probably butchering it, but this is cocoa and vanilla flavor, handcrafted tahini-based sweets made in Greece. So when I was younger, like my very, very first job, I tried this. Well, I tried not this brand, obviously, but I tried Halva and it was so good. I instantly fell in love with it. It is an acquired taste. So if you've never tried it, it kind of has, how can I explain it? It's like a flaky, what is the word? Like, it's like a flaky, dry freezed like sweets. So it's really good. It's, well, I think it's really good. I haven't had one in a really, really long time, so I'm really hoping that this is going to be just as good as I remember it. But it was pretty affordable. It was $2.99 for this packet right here. I'm not gonna eat one right now because it is pretty late and I don't really want one right now. But I am gonna be trying this out very, very soon, and I can let you guys know what I think about it, or I'll just comment in the description bar and let you guys know what I think. But yeah, I'm really, really excited about this. You know what? I'm gonna open it. I'm just gonna show you what the little packaging looks like because I feel like it's just really hard showing you. So hold on a second. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's pretty small, but you don't need a lot with this. When I remember getting a piece that was this big, it literally lasted me a couple of days because I just kind of cut it up in pieces, and it just hit the spot. So with this, these are 170 calories and it has 10 grams of sugar. So it's not too bad. I mean, I know that's, yeah, I'm definitely not one that counts her calories. But yeah, that is pretty much it for my video. I am really excited about my little haul. I will do another haul when we go back grocery shopping and getting a couple of other things, because there are a bunch of Trader Joe's snacks and foods and things like that that I really, really like. But like I said, we just didn't get around to getting things because we had to go out and I didn't want things to melt. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you've tried any of these products, and especially these products, and let me know what you think about it. But yeah, I am very, very excited about all of this. So I'm going to end this video here. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.